Welcome to the Device Management section of the Right-Click Tools Community Edition Academy course. This section will cover all of the device management tools that are available for you in Right-Click Tools Community Edition. Device management is the bread and butter of the Right-Click Tools and is probably what you are most familiar with when you hear about Right-Click Tools. The Right-Click Tools device management tools are broken down into a couple of different categories. The first category is client actions. These easily accessible client actions and evaluation and inventory cycle actions allow you to update machine policy, hardware inventory, start software update scans, and more. The client tools enable you to troubleshoot and manage the config manager client. You can manage the client cache size, clear the cache, open logs, and more. The console tools provide productivity actions for common administrative tasks, including 19 administrative functions. You can troubleshoot and manage Windows settings at scale, show installed software, list services, view running processes, and more. Our security tools allow you to view the BitLocker status of your endpoints, as well as make use of the remote Windows security tool, which features limited functionality in the community tools. Finally, device collection tools allow us to add or remove devices to and from config manager device collections. That's an overview of the tool categories. In the following sections, we'll go through each individual device management tool category and go through each individual tool within those categories. See you there.